Okay, in this section there are only 8 questions. The directions say mark your answer choices number 33 through 40. Because there's only 8 questions, you have to get them correct, otherwise it will be a really low score. So please take your time with all of these. Think about them, think about what we've talked about in class, and answer appropriately. Number 33. Which of the following is a declarative sentence? She took her dog on a long walk. Why do dogs chase their tails? Please be careful when opening the door. How lucky she was to run into him. Number 34. Remember, you can stop at any time if you need more time to think about the answer choices. You can also re-listen to the way that I read the sentences or the answer choices. Number 34. Which of the following is an interrogative sentence? This invention is the first of its kind. Stop running next to the pool. Would you go to the store for me? Joseph had never seen a bear before. Okay, number 35. Which of the following is an imperative sentence? How do you learn to fly model airplanes? She enjoys making things out of clay. Hold the cup while I pour the tea. It was the most beautiful sunset he had seen. Number 36. What is the subject of the following sentence? Sarah wanted to leave the city. Sarah wanted to leave the city. Number 37. What is the complete predicate of the following sentence? The president, who wanted to spend time with his family, took a long vacation. The president, who wanted to spend time with his family, took a long vacation. Number 38. Which group of words in the following sentence is a dependent clause? Yesterday morning, Sam slept late because there is no school on holidays. Yesterday morning, Sam slept late because there is no school on holidays. Sam slept late because there is no school on holidays. Number 39. Which of the following is a compound sentence? Nathan and Lonnie played tennis all day. Pat opened the box and Ramon closed it. Bahardi wrote a letter and sent it. Miss Kim will grade the essays. Number 40. Which sentence is written correctly? Pay close attention to capitalization and punctuation. Glacier National Park is in the Rocky Mountains. She saw a buffalo in Yellowstone National Park. She went to the theme park in Buffalo, New York. The Blue Ridge Mountains are in Virginia. When you finish all of the questions in your packet, go ahead and take your packet, log into Pearson, and enter them into Realize. Pearson realizes where you're going, and you're going to enter your answers. Once you have entered your answers, write your percentage at the top and turn it into the wire basket.